Hello, in this video I want to show you how to move photos to locked folder in Google Photos. To do this, for example, let's select that photo right here. We can either click on it like that or just select it. Then in the top right corner of the screen there's more options, those dots. We can move it to the locked folder. Click on move, and this should remove this photo from all available photos, albums, and etc. To access it, we'll need to click on the locked folder on the left side. Then it may ask us to verify our account, so we need to enter the password. And here's our photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.